Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of this video, in which we're going to be continuing from where we left off, because I believe I've broken off after we set up our business manager account and I've entered in the tax details. So we're going to be getting into the video right away. So I'm continuing from where I left off, and since I know that where I left off is probably after setting up the audience and all that, here we have a clear description on what has happened after, which means they have also adjusted the traffic. So the objective type is auction, and we are going in a traffic model because I have given a 5 rupees bid cap for the spending conversion. Now lifetime budget is 28,000 and there's a cost cap. That's I'm going definitely going to shrink it down. And India Muatipura, this, as I told you, about my targeted audience, and I'm only including people who have not liked my page. This is the first time, fresh visitors. Only the new guys are going to come in. And of course I want all these language groups to also visualize my ad set, so they are all, potential customers, of course, and I'm specializing it on the each interest. Detailed targeting expansion was on, so it was 68,000. Only 68,000 people was the approximate visibility after I entered all the sections, from location, excluded connections, all these. After I entered, I'd got 68,000. But after I turned on detailed targeting expansion, it became 680,000. So that's the difference that I want to share with you guys. So what I'm going to do, start or continue? Of course, no, I'm going to continue with this one. So I'm clicking on continue, and then let's see what's the next option that we have. Oh, right. So I can now continue creating this ad. So how my business should be represented in this ad, all those details I can now set up here. So this is the ad identity section. Okay, so it's not the budget. We have already finished the campaign, we have finished the ad set. Now it's just how it's going to appear in the ad set. So these are all, I think, preset conditions. Yep, I just had to add one of the Facebook posts so that they're gonna render it ideally. I think I already set one. Yes, I had set one. See, all the work from our previous page, they have been rendered correctly. Wonderful, great stuff. I just want to go back to budget and schedule, because you see that earlier we saw 28,000, right? Just wanted to reduce that amount to 5,000, of course, right? So automatic placements, ad spending, yep, it's come up. Okay, ad spend limits is given 1,000 and 5,000 lifetime, run ads on schedule. So I think it's the campaign objective where that 28,000 figure was there. And see, campaign objective, traffic, budget option, lifetime budget. Yes, I'm gonna now reduce it to 5,000. Saved. Yep. Campaign bid strategy, cost cap. So as it's shown here, we have several ways in which we can reduce the amount of money that we are being spending. So campaign bid strategies determine the amount of ad strategy that you're setting in your campaign. Your campaign bid strategy includes a control, like I have. So right now I've included a control, right? So when I'm including a control, exactly, I won't spend more than this amount when I set a lifetime budget. That's why 5,000. Then campaign bid strategy here is, if you at the ad set future set a bid target or target cost, you'll enter a specific amount within each set. So I'm going to enter a specific amount only, the same amount only I'll be entering. So I'm just going to copy and paste the same ad set below, and that'll be just repetition, right? Exactly, because I want consistency for the males and the females. I want separate ad sets to run. That's what I have in mind. So I'll showcase the bike parts and the other shiny items for the males, and for the females what I'm going to do is I'm going to show household items, interior items, lamps, flasks, vases, all those stuff like that. Those are the ones that I'm going to show to females. So that's the idea here. And then continue. Of course, all these IDs have been set, so I'm just going to click continue, and it'll go on to traffic and all that. As you can see here, this is the 680,000 figure that I was talking about. So an estimate of the size and of the audience. So you can see how friendly the ad manager account is. For every new account, they're just going to show you how to do it and what kind of description will be there. So, and if you click on learn more, it will open up in a new bar, sidebar here. It's a help bar. So all the description and all the options that you need to understand how this machine works is being given here. Just have to spend time, spend time asking the right questions. Ask the right questions. So when you ask the right questions, you're gonna get the right answers, isn't it? That's the way the world works. Awesome method, awesome. I really like this machine. And so once we got our initial questions and also that, I didn't take dynamic rate, I didn't take offer, because after when I read through the learn more, I don't have that much of a detailed product stack, so I don't have a detailed funnel, because due to I have a lack of that. I'm just gonna look at specific targeting, and I'll see how how my ad set is going to go. So here I've just duplicated the audience. I think I duplicated this audience. Let me just see here, because this just includes male. Yeah, I have to duplicate it, so let me duplicate it, and I'll include female as well. There you go. So gender, I'm now going to change it for female. Perfect. Reach new people on Facebook who are similar to your most valuable audiences. So let's see here. Oh, so the audience hasn't come up because the ad is not running. Okay. Now I get it. And so 680,000 plus 330, I'm close to reaching 1,000,000 people. Great. Million means in Indian numeral system comes at 10 lakhs. Perfect. Male, female, custom audiences. I'll give it a name, of course. Polishing, MVPA. Oh, you can't say the name. Okay, I'll just save it then. Okay, metal polishing, MVPA, 25 mile, female. Perfect. Now we have two ad sets that are going to run with the same budget. Same, everything same, right? Yeah. Required field is missing. Fix error. Wow, wonderful. Thank you, Facebook, for showing me that. Where did I miss? What did I miss? Yes. So I miss for polishing of engine parts. Now this is only for, yeah, this ad set is going to run only for the males, because I want to show them the engine parts, right? Perfect. Now all these aspects are also done. So continue. I can click continue and let this run for my customer audience, which is males. Let's see if all the errors have been confirmed. They showed me a previous error. Oh, name and debit card details. So I'll have to enter those details now. I'll enter those details and be right back. Promise me, I'm not gonna end this video abruptly. I'll be right back. Let me just enter those details. Yep, I'm back, and the ad set has been published. Once I added the card details, immediately it got published. So there was no there was one holdback. I tried to add a new card this time. When I tried to add a new card, it did not allow, because the new card was not yet verified or something like that. So since it's a new ad manager account, I think some verification has to be done. Because of that, I couldn't add the new card. I had to instead run with my old card, the old card which I'd used previously for making transactions. So because you can see, this campaign is now running, it's live. Delivery schedule means the times that will run is scheduled. So 12 p.m. today is the first day that it's going to run, but I'm going to pause it right now because it's not yet time. So ad sets one campaign. Let's check that out. Wonderful. So this is ad set 1 male. So for all the male people within, as well as Muatupura, MVPA 25 miles, within MVPA 25 miles, all the males will see this ad set. And then there you go, ad sets for the females, ad set That's if a male and female. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Maybe I made a mistake somewhere. Let me see here. Just trying to see if there are. Oh, okay. Here, yeah, looks like the female ad set campaign has not happened. Maybe should we copy and paste it, because yeah, this looks like that. Or if we duplicate it and edit it, maybe that's what we should be doing. Okay, let's just duplicate it. Or if we create a split test, ad sets with campaign budget campaign cannot be optimized. Fine. So we'll just make two split tests. Again, we're not going for different cities, we're only staying within Kochi. I just want to change the gender. So we'll duplicate it, then we'll go there and we'll edit it and we'll make it female. I think that's the best way you can do it. Yes, men copy. No, this is not a men copy, this is for female. So female, and I'm just going to change the gender, right? Yep, everything is the same. Oh, okay. So what the mistake I made, we just found out. Or I just changed the name. I just changed the name of the audience. I did not change the name of the ad set. So the ad set still was the male one. I just changed the name to female. And oh my god. Okay. I have to change the gender as well. This is trouble. So we have to change the gender as well, which means the saved audience which I had originally run was entirely changed to female. Okay, so I have to use the same audience. So this is going to now run for female. So this is the correct one. I have to now go to the original one and make the changes. Okay, got it. Yes, this is all the same, exactly how I wanted it. So I'm gonna publish it because this is correct. But the first ad set, the original one, because I can look at the potential reach, it's 310,000, which means the gender here is correct. Now this is going to run only for the females. This one is perfect. So we can now go back, achieve female, and yes, this is the one, men, and this one we have to edit it. Yes, this one we have to change it to male. Okay. Yes, here it is. So all these audiences have come up in the drop down list. So metal polishing 35, yes, male, this one, metal polishing is the correct one. Okay. So once you save those audiences, you guys had to be a bit careful here. Okay, almost I published it to the wrong audience, right? So there you go, got it done. And here now I have to go back to the females, because in the females I did not create that customized post. Right now both posts are running. The post that is meant for the males and the females are going to be shown, so there's no targeting happening here. So let's go back to the female post, which is the first one, and edit our ad set here. Great, this is our ad set. Now we have to edit the ad set. I want a different post to be shown to females, so here it is. So this is a traffic optimized ad for females that is happening. Yes, and this is the wonderful. So it's going to be placed on Facebook, it's going to be placed in Instagram. Wonderful. And this is the ad set that's going to be placed. So I'm gonna edit this. I don't want this post to happen, so change post. Let's click on change post, and let's look at all the posts that we have. Are you seeing, guys? Oh, okay. I'll just increase the size so you can see here all those posts that are created. These posts, they only ran. Oh, don't you guys think that if I want to market to females, I should be showing the women a silver tea tray, right? Yeah, I'm gonna show that. I'm gonna show the silver tea tray, because then it looks more flashy. So continue. The silver tea tray is the one I'm gonna be showing to the ladies. And there you go, it's done. Use existing post. And now I have to change this name, because this one is clearly the wrong name for the traffic, right? So I'll see where I can change the name, but everything else is all good. Conversion tracking has not been set up for this customized ad. Remember, we have only set conversion tracking. We haven't set conversion tracking for any ads. Okay, so that's it. And there you go. Wow, this is how it's going to appear on feeds, Facebook news feeds, Facebook video feeds, stories. Okay, let's open this in a new tab so we can see how the placement looks like. Preview on device, so I can preview it on my phone. Okay, I get it. How it's going to appear on my phone. Let's check. Click on the review button. I think review is going to show. What is the ad? Website URL. Okay, website URL. I'll add it right away because I want people to go to my website, and my website URL is, where is the website URL? Hold on. Yeah, probably. Oh, that's interesting. Ah, yes, I found it. Male and female. So this is just female. So here you go. Female. Done. This set. Great. That's fixed up now. Just trying to find where to add the URL. Is it build a URL parameter? I think so. Oh, so this is a tracking code. So this is where we can enter the tracking code. Of course, I totally agree. But where is the URL? Where do I put in the URL? So let's see here. Okay, maybe I'll just go back. I'm just going to publish it. I'll pause the campaign. Anyway, the campaign is not gonna run now. The campaign has been scheduled to run only 12, so I have 3 hours, comfortably enough time to check it. So yes, let's go through the troubleshooting, because the best exercise to always learn is by going through the troubleshooting manual itself. Don't you agree? So this troubleshooting manual will give us an idea where the feedback, where our mistake is. Yeah, name's fixed. That's fine. The silver tray is coming off shiny, squeaky clean. Wow. Maybe I should click setup. I think setup is where it's gonna happen. Okay, it's opening a new tab. Nope. It's Facebook app ads. I don't want that. Go back to my ads manager account. Where is the URL? Yep. Finding the URL is going to take a bit of time. Hopefully you get it. Guess what? We have to add the URL, which is the call to action button. There you go. Here's the call to action button. Let's add him up right away. Whoa. That's it. Done. And let's update the post. That's it. So the valid URL is there. The update is done. With the URL added, now we are ready. Something went wrong. I wonder what that could be. Okay, so the change we had to make was, earlier it was book now, and I've just changed it to contact us. And when you change it to contact us and you enter the URL, so this will take the traffic to my website, which is metalpolisher.com, and at metalpolisher.com they'll be able to get in. So that's the driving the traffic to the website, external website. I apologize for the sound. And it'll get updated. It was already updated previously, which is waiting on the internet. Still loading. Okay, finally it's working. So let's now get into the video. Let's go back and now focus on what to publish. So campaign on. I think said we switched off, and it's time to publish. So it will start running 12 p.m. today. Yes, super excited. So we have 2 traffic campaigns all set up and good to go. Done, published. So it's all set and ready to go. Review draft items. I don't think there is a draft item to review. It's already been updated, isn't it? What are you going to show me? Yes, complete. So this is done. That's gonna run. Happy, happy, happy. Yes, super pumped up. Yeah, that's the sweet smell of success. Hope you really guys enjoyed this video. I personally, this was a great challenge for me, going deep into the campaign and getting your feet wet, it was real fun doing this. I really, really, really liked doing this stuff. You know what? Awesome stuff, really, because we really are, doing something. We're doing something to promote our business, and this is something, what, it just comes from inside. You like, you wanna do something. You wanna make a difference. You wanna help your family out. This is one of those opportunities, you know what. So I really liked this opportunity to run this ad set, and hope you guys like this video. Hit your comments below. I'll be coming out with part 3, in which we now have to make some conversion optimizations and some specific parts that are remaining in assignment 7. Stay tuned guys, and let's learn digital marketing.